Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosemary M. Tuliao, a 43-year-old from Philippines, and I am a high school graduate. I have two children. My eldest is 18-year-old girl, and my youngest is 17-year-old boy. I have two brothers, and my mother is 65-year-old housewife, and my father is already deceased. I have work experience here in Hong Kong, taking care of a newborn baby. Now she is a toddler. My main duty is preparing the food of the baby, bathing, change diaper, playing with her, reading, bring her in the school, and after school I pick up her. And also I am not doing a household chore like washing, ironing, cleaning, tidy up, and cooking. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me, I am promised that I will do my best to help your family, and also if you have a kid, I will love your kid as my own child. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I am follow all your rules in your house, ma'am and sir. Thank you.